Hey guys, I hope you're doing great today. This is chapter number 6 of our AWS AI practitioner course, and it is one of the most easiest service in AWS AI services stack. It is known as Amazon Poly. And let's try it out and see how this service works. And we are going to know more about Amazon Poly in this chapter today. And first of all, what is Amazon Poly? Amazon Poly is a text to speech service provided by AWS. It means that you write text and it converts into speech, audible form, okay? And it also converts written text into natural sounding human speech using advanced deep learning models. We are going to try it out, okay? We are going to try different texts in different languages. You just write text and it converts into male and female voices, okay? And it converts into an audio stream, any text input, okay? It converts any text input into an audio stream. So you write text here and Amazon Poly will convert into speech. That's how simple this service is. Write text and Amazon Poly will convert into a speech and audio stream, and you can simply download it and use it in your application. So this is the simplest form of Amazon Poly. Amazon Poly offers 100 plus male and female voices in 40 plus different languages. Okay. The languages can be Arabic, English British, English Australian, German, French, Hindi. So there are 40 plus languages supported by Amazon Poly, and there are 100 plus male or female voices in Amazon Poly. And is Amazon Polytext to speech free? Yes, it is free. But Amazon Poly offers text to speech AI services for 1 year. Okay. After you sign up to a minimum usage threshold. And once this period is over, then you have to pay. But still, it is one of the cheapest services on AWS. But as a student or as a learner, I can try it out for free without spending a dime. And this is how it looks like. It is, by the way, an old console. You write text here and you can listen to what you have written, and you can also download it in the MP3 format. We are going to try it out just now. So I have opened the console here, and you can write Amazon Poly here. Okay. And you just open the service and it will look like that. It is a machine learning service turn text into lifelike speech using deep learning. So let's try Poly. Okay. I will write here, hi, this is DevOps Molvi here, and we are learning about AWS AI and ML services. Okay, so this is my text, and now I will convert into different speeches. But first of all, I can listen to it, what I have written. Listen. I will.
Hi, this is DevOps Molvi here, and we are learning about AWS AI and ML services.
Can you hear it? Okay, now you can see there are multiple different languages. Okay, and I can try Arabic Gulf. So some of these are disabled according to the region here, and I can change the region. So for now, if I want to try English Indian, okay, and Kajal, okay, female, and it will be a female voice, Kajal, Aditi female, Ravina female. So different voices, 40 plus, 100 plus voices and 40 plus languages are supported in Amazon Poly. Let's listen to it.
Hi, this is DevOps Molvi here, and we are learning about AWS AI and ML services.
Let's listen it again.
Hi, this is DevOps Molvi here, and we are learning about AWS AI and ML services.
Okay, now if I want to go with long form and if I want to change, yes, it is only English US and root and female, or no, I will go with male now, and let's listen to it.
Hi, this is DevOps Molvi here, and we are learning about AWS AI and ML services.
And if I want to neural,
Hi, this is DevOps Molvi here, and we are learning about AWS AI and ML services.
if I want to go with standard, uh, selected engine, so I will Kimberly female for standard.
Hi, this is DevOps Movie here, and we are learning about AWS AI and ML services.
Okay, so that's how we can convert our text to speech, and similarly we can save it to S3 bucket, and also I can download it on my virtual machine with a single click. Okay, so you can see the file has been downloaded. So this is one of the most easiest and simplest AWS machine learning services with which we can convert our text to speech. So if I go back to the slideshow, I hope that you have liked this demo, and you can try it out if you have an AWS account. So these are the key features of Amazon Poly. It converts any text input into an audio stream. You have watched the demo. I have just written the text, and it has converted into different voices. Okay, and we can easily download the mp3 file or store it in our S3 bucket. It offers a selection of natural sounding voices to choose from, different voices, male and female, with different accent. Developers can send text to the Poly API and receive an audio stream. Poly is very cheap compared to hiring voice artists. If I want to, for my application, if I want to hire voice artists, instead I must use Poly to convert my text into speech. And it can be integrated with other AWS services, like we can store our files, media files in S3. We can also distribute our audio streams globally using CloudFront, and we can also publish messages with the help of simple notification services. So it means that Amazon Poly can be integrated with other AWS services. And now, what should be the real world example of using Amazon Poly? It is best for YouTube automation channels. Guys, since we know that AI is on the boom, so we can use AI services for our YouTube automation channels for faceless videos. Okay, AI based faceless videos, and we can use AWS Poly for motivational speeches, technology updates, children's stories, or Islamic reminders. And we can use all these voices for our YouTube automation channel. Since I work on YouTube, so I can relate to it. I can relate the importance of Amazon Poly, so it can be used. This is one of the best use cases of using Amazon Poly, and we can use it for YouTube automation channels. And I have given a couple of top examples for that. So that's it, guys, today for this short and sweet lecture. I will see you in the next one, which is Amazon Recognition. We will also learn about this service and have a quick demo. And you saw that there is nothing difficult to try Amazon Poly. You must give it a try. You can see that Amazon Poly can be integrated with other AWS services. We can download the audio streams. We can use those audio streams in our videos, in our lectures, okay, in our stories, okay. And that's it for today. I will see you in our next chapter, chapter number 7. We are going to wind up it as soon as possible so that we can start our AWS Solutions Architect course. Have a good one.